Hey track fans, hey Albert, Wolf, how you doing? Merry Christmas. So it's Boxing Day. Thought I'd give you a little update what I've been up to. So it was lovely to see you on the live stream the other day. That was amazing fun, big Christmas banter. So what I've been doing, I've been starting to work on my Policar track now. I've got the grand lights, so I've started to work on that and I'm now starting to raise up the sections around the track. Let me explain. Right then, so what I've got is I've got a bit of lining paper. It's basically wallpaper, but it's plain and it's almost papery. And what I want to do is I want to get this, I want to cut a bit off, because ideally what I'm trying to do is make a section in here so that the whole thing is flush. Okay, so I've cut my bit of paper off, I've put it under the track, as you can see here, it's under the track. Then I want to line it up to where I want it to go ultimately. You might, some of the sharper eagle-eyed people out there might have noticed I've already done this one, but I wanted to just show you what I was doing, so I thought I'd flip the camera on, give you a whirl. Pen, draw around the outside. And then remove your template. There we go. So we've got the section on the paper that we need. Beautiful. And then what we'll do is we'll go and cut that out of a likely piece of wood. Piece of wood around here, you just got to find some stuff. I might need to use 2 pieces, but that's what it's all about. And then if you take a bit of a longer look, you can start to see I've templated different parts of the track, and you can see I've already got some wood cut in over these bits here. There you go, cut the template. I've got a bit of wood, sticking it to the wood. Well, I'm putting it on the wood. Ideally, I'm going to draw around the template on the wood because that's going to tell us where to cut. Overshot it a bit here. Okay, good. So as we take the tape away, we've got the shape of what we want to do. So we're going to cut this out and then drop it into the track here. Right, let's do that. Let's go out. I forgot the template, didn't I, track fans? Here we go. Got a template. Okay, let's cut. Okay, next task is these edges, very sharp. So, little bit sandpaper down the edge, but I'm going to do that just off the table here. Let's bring you around. So I don't want to get it in the track, any of the tracks. and as you can see now, that's in place. So as you notice, it's a bit rough and ready around the edges, but that's fine. I don't mind that because the scenery is going to overhang onto the track and make it look as one. As you'll see, I've got paper templates here and here. I've done the wood there, all of that side. I've done the wood, as you can see, right here, up into the hairpin. So that's nice, so that's good. So I've got to run out of wood basically, so I've got to get a bit of wood to do that, and then the corners, and then we can start the next phase, which will be priming the wood and then base coating it, ready to decorate on top of. So let's go. One sec. Here for the final section of this video, you can see this was the piece of wood that we just cut out, still rough and ready, but I've painted it because this is going to be one of my urban sections of the track. So as you can see, the Dunlop Bridge, urban section, rural section. So I've finished the templates and the cutouts, and as you can see, the track looks flush set in. There's a couple of bits like here, just so you can see the difference between the track being flush and not. So it's a bit of a difference, but I'm pleased with the overlay. So this is how generally it's going to look. I'm going to rural where the brown is, urban where the doghouse is, and really excited. Yeah, doghouse from Magnetic Racing, must just mention that. In fact, actually exclusively all of the items on the track, the Policar track, are Magnetic Racing. So more to come. Keep tuned, but this is the first of a few videos of how I develop my Policar track in the Track Fans TV den. Amazing. All right, Track Fans, see you later.